A hot cup of delicious coffee is an essential part of many people's mornings. When you're out on a camping trip, enjoying a cup in the morning to start your day is even better because of soothing nature sounds and a beautiful nature view. If you're open to try new things with your favorite morning drink made through a campfire, try these easy ways to make great campfire coffee. Classic cowboy coffee. What you need: 2 tablespoons finely ground coffee per 1 cup of water, fresh spring water, or bottled water if unavailable. Large kettle or coffee pot. Pour desired amount of water into your kettle and bring to a boil over a campfire. Remove from heat and let it sit for 1 minute. Add coffee grounds 2 tablespoons per 1 cup of water, stir and let sit for 2 minutes. Stir again and let sit for another 2 minutes. Pour in 1/2 cup of cold water before pouring coffee into your cup. Campfire egg coffee. What you need: 1 large egg, 3/4 cup pre-ground coffee, medium grind, 10 cups water, divided, plus 1 cup cold water. Large saucepan or coffee pot. Crack the egg in a bowl and reserve the eggshell. Beat the egg thoroughly. Crush the shell in a plate. Add the coffee, 1/4 cup of water and the crushed shell to the beaten egg and stir until ingredients are well combined. Bring about 9 cups of water to a boil in a pan coffee pot over a campfire. Add the egg mixture. Boil for 3 minutes more. Remove from heat, then pour in 1 cup cold water. Allow to cool for 10 to 15 minutes before pouring carefully into cups. Drip cone coffee. What you need: 1 cup coffee pour over packet, per 1 to 1.5 cups of water, water heat desired amount of water over a campfire, removing just below boiling point. This coffee packet comes with its own filter. Open the packet and get the filter from the pouch. Tear along the filter's perforation and secure it to your mug or cup. Carefully pour hot water over coffee grounds, letting the coffee drip into your mug. Repeat until you get 1 cup of brewed coffee. If you're a fan of coffee, you'll want to enjoy something new, especially when you're outdoors. Try these easy ways to make great campfire coffee. Daniel J. Smith is a survival expert. Having lived the outdoor life since he was very young, he loves sharing his expertise about camping, hiking, traveling, RV living and many more. He has also started his own company called Outbright, which will soon be selling products that cater to campers, hikers, travelers and all outdoor loving adventurers.